Hi, Rachel Fan here, and welcome to Understanding OSPF Areas and Terms. OSPF is the most popular interior gateway routing protocol in the world, so it's definitely a good time for us to take some time to understand the design behind OSPF and why things the way they are. When you start to set up OSPF, the first thing you must create is Area 0, the backbone of your system, and all the routers goes into that. Essentially, if you're going to configure them, you need to put into Area 0. And it simply means that all the router in the area must have the same topology table. You might remember that in OSPF we have three tables. There is network table, which is the list of the routers that they form relationship with. Then there is topology table, which is the roadmap of the network. Let's say if you have 20, 30, 50 router inside of this area, the topology table has every single route that exists in that area. The best route, the second best route, all the different route, and then chooses the best route and put them into the routing table. It's simply the best of the best. Here's the fact, you can commit this into your memory. All the router in the area will always have an identical topology. They will have the same roadmap, right? The next logical question is, why do we start breaking into multiple areas? It is because the larger your area becomes, the less efficient it will become. Also, any single time a route fail in the area, all the router have to know about it because they have the same topology table, they have the same roadmap. And yes, you may end up your network goes larger and larger, but big efficiency. So we break into multiple areas so we can divide those topology tables. The routers in Area 2 can have a different topology table than the routers in Area 0 because the area boundary introduced the opportunity for summarization. And this is a real big feature that you can gain, the ability to enter summary routes. See this area border router or the ABR with the interface with multiple area are one of the two types of router that has the ability to sum up the network. That's why our goal is to localize update within an area. However, to make this all happen, you must have a hierarchical design. You must have a good planning in place in order to areas to work effectively. And one last thing, the other kind of router, the anonymous system boundary router, what we call the ABR, that can also summarize but different kind of summarization. It bridges outside world into OSPF. It can be an ISP over here or other routing protocol as well. The ASBR can summarize between two protocol types. This is Rich Alfane once again, and thank you for viewing.